Hello everyone! Today we will be looking at Red Star OS. This is an OS used in North Korea. Anyway, let's get on with it. Since this OS is from North Korea, everything is in Korean. This makes setting this up way harder than it should be. Now we're at the boot screen of Mac OS Red Star OS. Anyway, this is the desktop. It's not copying any other OS and is a completely original user interface. There seems to be this weird thing. If you click on the icons, they open different programs. I'm not too sure what any of these are, though. We have some pretty cool looking desktop backgrounds. Nice. There also seems to be an internet browser for some reason. It doesn't seem to work, though. We also have a calendar, so I can do the thing I did in that Mac OS 10 video. We have a text editor, so we can write some lovely things. Lovely. We have some sticky notes, so I can remember all the things I need to do tomorrow. Anyway, here's a music program. This is probably the strangest program on this OS. I'm not even sure how it works. I tried writing something on it, but all I got was this. Anyway, now I'm going to go. Bye.